So let's face it, there's nothing better than throwing a couple steaks and some burgers on the gas grill in the summertime. But the real question is when does my propane tank expire? Am I gonna go get the propane tank filled this year, only to have the guy tell me I need a new tank? How do I look at my propane tank, tell how much time I have left on it before it expires? I need a new propane tank. These are the questions I'll help answer in this video. It's pretty simple to figure out, but not everybody knows where to look. Before we get started, remember to subscribe to the channel, ring the bell, and subscribe to all of our notifications. That way you'll get a heads up when we upload a new video. So I use a couple different tanks that I have. I always keep 2 tanks at a gas grill, so if one runs out, I can swap it over. But on this particular tank right here, it's fairly new. Right here, you'll find the date where it was manufactured on the big collar on the top. So this one says 7 of 18. So this was made in July of 2018. Over here I have my reserve tank, and on this particular tank it's on the top of the collar, and it says it was made in December of 2016. So on these tanks, you typically have about 12 years from the date that it was manufactured. So December of 2016, you have 12 years from this date before it expires, and you need a new tank. And this particular tank on it says, must be requalified within 12 years of manufacturer's date. What the requalified means is that, if you have your tank inspected after 12 years and they look at the tank and it's not all rusty, it doesn't look like it's going to let go, they may put a new valve on it for you. And I believe if they put a new valve on it for you, it usually typically buys you like another 5 years. So that's what that stamp means right there. So I hope this video helps you out. It's pretty easy to find that date on your tank. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I will reply back to you. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We've got a lot of great videos coming out. Thanks for watching.